Right. So let us start the session. What is the topic we are discussing? Good. Feature engineering. Minimum 4 to 5 interview questions, sir. First of all, did he explain about PyCharm actually? Then how I explain debugging? PyCharm on high priority. Once you understand about PyCharm, then only debugging you will understand. It is okay. Jupyter, did I explain? Google Colab? Okay. Okay. I trust you guys are doing this one. Maybe today end of this session you can please cross verify this document, and here you will get one more project actually. Let me share you banking project now. Which project? Banking project. You will understand keywords and these are all things actually. Good. Is my voice is resounding? No, right? Okay. Data visualization part 1 done. Feature engineering, I would like to say, yeah, this is the running topic. In a straight away, I will jump into the topic because yesterday I have given an introduction. Only to me is my voice is clear. Okay. Fine, then let us start the session. So the topic name is a feature engineering. A kind update actually, exactly at 6 p.m. One of our teammate actually, he told he would like to give a small revision over the Python, 15 minutes. How long time? Either 10 or 15 minutes actually. Okay, get ready. We'll enjoy the revision. We'll see. Suspense. Who is asking? Who is that guy, right? Suspense actually. Good. Now let me open feature engineering. Yeah, this theory I covered yesterday, and I hope I already explained these are all stuff actually. But this theory I didn't explain. Hold on. This example, sir, come on. As usual, yesterday I explained output actually. Am I right? Now straight away let me explain the example. Are you fine? Good. It's a very simple. What we're doing, in a first line we're importing so and so class. What is the class name? Is it class or function? First to point, being a data scientist, you guys need to recognize that one. Either it is the class or function. Either it is what exactly? Let me give a small hint actually. 100 out of 100% importing statement only functions or classes. That's it. Not a method. Not what exactly? If it is a method, you have to create an object and you need to call by using object actually. Either this is the function or a method. That's it actually. There is a thumb rule you need to remember. Attributes also sometime. Instead of directly, okay, that out of the box. From sklearn.preprocessing, import label encoder actually, and import pandas as a PD. We are importing two things. First one is a sklearn, and second one is a pandas. Good. But let me ask a question. Yesterday, what is the library we have installed as well? Scikit-learn. That we need to pronounce as a scikit-learn. Also called as a sklearn. Also called as what exactly? Sk. Initially, the package name was sklearn, and later on they have replaced. They renamed with the scikit-learn actually. Good. Now we are creating a dictionary. Key, company name, values, list of company names. One more key, role, list of roles we are taking actually. That is okay. And we are taking a dictionary. And by using that dictionary, we are creating a data frame. These are all we explained actually during Pandas example. Am I right? Good. Then once we created a data frame, And now can somebody talk with me? Though we imported class, for that class we are creating an object. What we are creating? Object. Now what is the motto, being a ML engineer, you need to think, if any column having the string data, if any column having what exactly? String data, definitely feature engineering we need to apply. What we need to apply? Why? Because ML algorithm won't like string data. ML algorithm always likes work with number data actually. There is a reason. Once we started machine learning, I will explain about that stuff. When I say machine learning, ensure that there is no string data. Even though if you're having string data, what we need to do is we just need to convert the data into numerical data. What data, sir? There are many ways. And let me show you what are all important actually. Good. We are created an object actually. Good. With this object, we are calling a method. That method name is what exactly? Fit underscore transform. Read one more time. Last time. Can somebody say this is method or function? Method. Why? Because we are calling by using what exactly? Object. How you can prove this is the method? Nice. dir of what actually? Nice, man. Then this method takes the syntax as a column name, single column name. Now df of company, and right hand side we are just trying to adding right hand side syntax. Can I say this one? We are adding a column actually. For this column, this total operation will bring the result. This total operation will bring what exactly? Result. In this column, company name column actually, company name column having the multiple values. For each value, it will carry single value. Are you getting? Same thing like that we are performing for what exactly? Roll underscore n also. Good. Let me execute this example. Maybe let us finish feature engineering. Then I will explain PyCharm actually. I will explain what exactly? PyCharm. Good. I should explain. But I hope you're enjoying Notepad plus plus actually. Good. Please focus. If you want, you can print the data frame. We are simply creating a data frame by using dictionary. By using what exactly? Dictionary. Good. Can I say this is the data frame? Good. This data frame we have created. Sklearn, it's okay. Pip install sklearn supporting library. Yesterday I have installed only scikit-learn actually. One minute, sir. Pip install scikit-learn. 1 minute. Then what is the Python version? Sir, 3.12, right? I need to downgrade my Python. Give me 1 minute time. 3.12 is not working. But still, I can help you with the alternative. We don't have a time. Kindly please hold on. There was a small package breakage. Um, but you might have installed Python 3.12 only, I guess. Am I right? Hold on. We'll see. Maybe what is the solution I can post in. You are in Telegram, right? Maybe because of recent batch, I have installed all Python. It will take in another 1 minute. Please wait. Thank God. All right. Now let me check either Python is installed or not. No, Python is not installed. Go back and install stable version. I would like to install only stable version. Go to the Python. 3.11.1 is a stable version. Let me reinstall this. Yeah, we are almost very near. Come on. All right. Let me confirm. Pip install scikit-learn. Yeah, already available. Pip install sklearn. Sir, if it is still breaking, let me execute in a Google Colab. I will come up with the solution. It's okay. It is executing. Kind. Yes. Let's move on. And this example, you guys need to execute with 3.11. But 3.12 also, there might be a solution. I need to cross verify in Stack Overflow. I will post to our Google Classroom actually. Are you fine? Good. I'm repeating again. To execute this example, what we're doing, we're importing the class and we are just trying to importing the pandas, creating a dictionary. And by using the dictionary, we are creating a data frame actually. We're creating what exactly? Data frame. Good. All right. Now, just try to come here. Once you created a data frame, we are creating an object for this one. The object is the same example. Let me explain in a Google Colab also for your better understanding. We are just trying to adding two more columns. And once we are done with that, let me just try to print a data frame. Can I say that this is before updating the data frame? This is after updating the data frame. Let me just try to run this one. Yeah. So you got a result actually. Am I right? Good. I'm helping you. If your system also breaking, whenever you are executing this example, go to in straight away, go to the Google Colab. I hope you know that one. And welcome to Google Collaboratory. Then you can cancel this. You can click on File, New Notebook. Sir, sometimes current Python version may not work with old Python packages actually. If I say scikit-learn, maybe it was not updated to support the current version. Then what we need to do is I need to downgrade. When I done the downgrade, it is working actually. Take this example. You can just try to run this one. Now please wait. I'm sure it should work. First time it takes time. Yeah, it is working actually. I hope you're getting, sir. Good. So don't worry. Let's take this example. Move on to the next step. Go back to the next example. Here I have given an explanation. Please focus. I need your attention. Here I have given an explanation. Label encoder. By using this, we can convert all character or categorical variable into what exactly? Numerical. Kind of some numerical value. Label encoding. Label encoder class actually. Label encoder is a predefined class which is available in so-and-so package actually. We need to import this class from so-and-so package. Once we import it, then what we need to do? Create an object to this class. Then fit underscore transform is a method. Fit underscore transform is a predefined method in so-and-so class. We should access. There is no alternative. Even you should not use can word also. We should access this method label encoder object only. This method converts categorical variable into what exactly? Numerical values. Nice. I hope you understand. Move on to the next example. Get ready. Yeah, the topic name is called as a min max scalar. What is the topic name? Min max scalar actually. Good. What is a min max scalar? Yesterday I have given one example. Did you remember? What is that example? You talk with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I have taken. Now I just wanted to scale in the value. I just wanted to scale in the value. Right. Scale in the values. Scale in the values. How to do that one, boss? It's a very simple. Let us just try to choose mostly 0 to 1 actually. I just wanted to keep 10 to 50 values in between 0 to 1 actually. Then what we need to do, divide by 50. This is one of the method actually. Like this, would you have other things also? Like this, would you have what exactly? Other things also. Yeah, tell me what is the result here? 1 here it will be. I still remember 0 point. This one is 0.6. This one 0.4. This one 0.2. Sir, same thing like that how I applied, and here back end we are going to call a kind of some functionality. This formula it will be applied automatically over the every value. This formula it will be applied. Every value minus minimum of all values divided by maximum value minus minimum value. Daniel, do we need to remember formula? Not at all required. I didn't remember. I don't know this formula also. Are you clear? But this kind of diagram, there is a one guy. Let me tell you. Even I like books reading. I hope I used to tell actually. I'm not sure either I told or not. I like books reading, especially technical related machine learning and data science. These are all stuff actually. One of the person name is a Jason Brownlee. One of the person name Jason Brownlee. Sorry, he done PhD in a machine learning actually. He done PhD in what exactly? Machine learning. Next person name is a Chris Alban. Chris Alban actually. What is the person name? He is also PhD in machine learning. PhD in machine learning. Now, he written some books actually. From that book, I have collected this kind of a diagram. If you want to go back, this is called as a flashcard. What is this one? Flashcard. By looking at that one, you can understand the topic actually. Chris Alban flashcards. You can click on here and you can just try to click on images actually. Somewhere you can see these kind of diagrams actually. Completely machine learning only. Did you understand? Go click on all. And if you want, you can look at his profile also. He had written one book. That book name is a machine learning cookbook, sir. What book actually? Cookbook in Amazon. Hey Daniel, is it required? Sir, not at all required. So this is the book. This is the 2018, but recently he released one more book also. Don't go for this one. I do have a PDF actually. His name is a Chris Alban. What is the name? Chris Alban. Recently he released one more book also, same but advanced version. Cookbook. Getting right? These kind of diagrams, I like this one. I have taken from that, Chris Alban. Let's move on. I will tell you. Min-max scaling is a common feature processing technique which results in scaled data in between what exactly? 0 to 1. In between 0 and 1 actually. Assuming that if you are having 1 to 10 value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are all values actually. Whenever you are applying min-max scalar technique, what technique? Min-max scalar technique. What it will do, it will compress the each and every value. It will keep the in between 0 to 1 actually. Practically, we'll see. Hold on. I will show you practically. I hope I no need to explain this example, sir. I no need to explain this example, I'm sure. Now, take this example. What exactly I'm doing, I have created a dictionary. From the dictionary, I'm creating a data frame. Yeah. You talk with me. How many columns? 2 columns. How many features? 2 features. Column, which terminology? Pandas. Feature, which terminology? Machine learning. Yeah, good. Now, see, let me tell you. In a pandas, it is called as a what exactly? Column. Next one is a column. Good. In machine learning, it is called as what exactly? Feature. Next one is what exactly? Feature. If suppose this terminology is not available, then what we need to call, Column engineering. What we need to call, sir? And then we have a terminology. What is the terminology? Feature. Then what is the terminology? Feature engineering. Which one is good, sir? Tell me. Yeah, I know you will tell the same thing actually. Good. Now please focus. We do have a two feature, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Why? 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. Don't observe the relation. If x is the 10, y is the 25. If x is the 20, y is the 50. Please don't compare like that. As of now, let us conclude this one is a separate values, this one is a separate values. Are you with me? Good. Do one thing. What exactly we are going to do now? Sir, I have a question immediately. You guys need to respond actually. Is it function or what exactly? Class. How can you say? No doubt at all. We are importing one more class. Previously, what is the class name? Tell me, sir. Now, what is the class name? Min max scalar. I will tell you later which one where to apply, but please follow the session. Yeah, we are taking this one. Whenever you are importing any class, what is the next step actually? Creating an object. The next step? Calling the method. One more time, sir. Importing the class, creating an object, call the method. One more time. Importing the class, creating an object, call the method. Call the method or access the method. Simple. We have created a data frame. Then get ready. We are creating an object, min max scalar, feature underscore range equals to 0, 1. Can I say my favorite syntax? Very good. What is that one? Keyword argument. Let me ask you one question, important actually. Can I say this is object creation? Good. Can I say? Yeah. During object creation, something will execute. What is that? Very nice, sir. I never expected actually. Very good. Did I cover this one already? Oh, then you responded actually. It's okay. Cool. Now, during object creation, backend for constructor already, there is a variable. That variable name is a feature underscore range 0, 1. You may ask a question, Daniel, can I give 1, 2? You can give, sir. But in real time perspective, we supposed to, compress the value 0 to 1 only always. Okay, good. Print df, we are printing that one. One underscore column. One column we are applying actually. Here also method name is the same. What is the method name? Fit underscore transform. Previously also, it can be. Let us take a tuple data structure. Count method would you have, list data structure, count method would you have, string class actually, count method also would you have. Yeah. Now look at the output actually. Look at the output. You guys need to understand one point. What is that point? Over the, yeah, very good, sir. Over the single column, we just applied actually. What we applied? Object name dot fit underscore transform df of x we are taking. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. So first of all, I will explain df of like this, what we are going to get actually. Good. I hope you know what we are going to get. Series. Over this series, if you apply this one, you will get a single column data. Single column, what exactly? Data. That too, there is a difference by it, the difference, right? If it is a single column, I would like to series. I would like to say series. But if it is a single column, I would like to say array. Very good. That point you need to understand actually. Are you getting? Good. Now let me explain. You can apply same thing over the x and same thing over y. Okay, let me explain. See, 10 became what exactly? 0. And 50 became what exactly? 1. Yeah, 0 0.25, 0 0.5, 0 0.75. Hey, Daniel, how you got it actually? Sir, as I told you, whenever you are calling this method, backend formula executed actually. What is that formula? This formula executed. Exactly. If you want take one value, you can apply this formula and I'm sure it will be valid actually. No doubt in that. Are you getting? Good. Best example. Let us apply for the first value. What is the first value? 10. Good. 10 minus minimum of all values. What is the minimum value? 10. 10 minus 10. What is the result? Then that's why we got first value as a 0. Did you understand? 0 actually. That we are getting floating value. What value? Floating value. Come on. Let me just try to. Sir, if any questions, I'm happy to help you. Please focus on this. Another 5 minutes, sir, please. Now, let us just try to take this one. You guys need to do some paperwork actually. So these importing, whenever you are moving on to the machine learning, lot of importing statements you are going to get, right? Maybe after feature engineering, let us plan for one more project actually. We'll see. According to the time frame, I can discuss, sir. And let me just try to print the DF. Yeah, I hope you know. These values, it can be anything, sir. It can be anything. Now we are going to create object for min max scalar. We are going to create object for what exactly? Min max scalar. Yes, we are creating an object. Very good. And during object creation, we are applying keyword argument. What we are applying? Keyword argument actually. Feature underscore range equals to 0 comma 1. What we are providing? Can somebody talk with me? What is this one? Very good. What is that one? Tuple actually. Good. Recently, I had a conversation with Sriram sir actually. I hope, sir, did you join today? Yeah. Recently, I had a conversation with Sriram sir, and sir is telling a small suggestion he has given. I like that one. Hello, Daniel. Whenever you are writing any material, our material is good actually. Sir given nice feedback, and at the same time, kind of some keyword argument. Kindly please explain in the notes also. That would be great helpful for actually. Am I right or not, sir? So that I'm updating my material like that. Sir, if you say my defaults actually, if I'm having any problems in my teaching, or else update the material, I'm happy to take that suggestion. Please, I never reject actually. Thank you for your suggestion, sir. I'm currently working on this one actually. All right. Now let us move on. We have created an object successfully, and now we are applying over the single column. What we are applying over single column. Let us just try to apply this. Now you need to understand one point. What we need to understand, backend there is a method. First of all, there is a method. Whenever you are calling the method, we are assigning to the variable. What is the reason? Come again. Written actually. Good. Whenever you are calling a function, you are assigning to the variable return statement. Same thing like that. Return statement still we can apply over the method actually. Whenever you are calling the method, you are assigning to variable means backend return is available. What is available? Return is available. Slowly by slowly, once you gain real-time experience, these are all stuff you will understand. If you still didn't understand also, please come for tomorrow session, sir, please. Now run this. Mm. I hope you got it. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now, previously, one student asked a question. Hello, Daniel. You have taken the values according to order actually. Can you change the values order? Can I take random value? Boss, up to you. Up to you actually. Come here. Let me take here somewhat 90. What value? 90. Now let us apply. Now let us apply. Just try to see. Yeah, it will apply. Now what is the result actually? 0. This is the 1 and 0 0.125, 0 0.25, 0 0.375. 0. What exactly? 37. I mean to say that 10 became like a 10 value converted into 0, 90 value converted into 1, and 20 means what is the value? 0. See, where is the 20? Very big value. We compressed. We applied scale in. What we applied actually? 0.25. 0. What exactly? 25 actually. If you want, I will give a nice diagram actually. What is that nice diagram? Assuming that, can I say 20? Can I say the starting position is 1 here, 20 position is here actually? Can I say this one? Good. I would like to say, can I say this is the very big line actually? Am I right or not, sir? Now, that is the big line. I just wanted to compress the line like this very small line actually. That's what we are doing. I would like to say this is the feature. I can say 20 value, but what we converted actually 0.125. Can I say very small value, sir? Am I right or not, sir? Very small value. That's what we are doing, right? This value is available in between 0 to what exactly? 1. Did you understand? All right. Yeah, same thing like previously we applied over the single column. Over what exactly? Single column. Now we are trying to applying on two columns. We are trying to applying on what exactly? Two columns. You can apply. You can apply. Yeah, exactly. Here we are getting a data frame. Here we are getting what exactly? Data frame. Kindly please walk through this example also. Till now I have covered two classes actually. I just wanted to hear from you. What is the first class name? Very good. You have to please make a note. The first one is a label encoder. Second one is a min max. Min max. Scalar actually. Scalar. Scalar. What is the method name? Fit underscore transform. Transform actually. Transform. And here also can I say fit underscore transform? Very good. Now let us just try to take this one. You can call this one actually. Good. So transforming feature. Sir, this we are not using in real time. This you can skip actually, but if you are more interested, you can walk through this example. First of all, understand converting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Can I say array actually? Yeah. So 10 became 20, 20 became 30. What exactly happened? Plus added actually. In array, it is very easy. Am I right or not? But instead of array, we can write pandas example, such a 1 kilometer code actually. Am I right or not, sir? Instead of this one, just plus 10 you can do actually. You may ask a question how to do. Go to the NumPy discussion. What discussion? NumPy. I explained. This we are not using. Handling outlier. Sir, without this one, there is no interview question. But anyway, let me hold the topic for next 15 minutes actually. We'll start. We will start. Sir, are you ready? Will you tell? Yeah, good. We'll start in another 15 minutes. Kindly please take only 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, 15 minutes. And let me close this running notes. Online team, get ready. One of our teammate and he's our student actually. Okay, he would like to deliver the session. We'll see. I appreciate him. Yeah, yes, sir. So let me open Jupyter Notebook. Please, if possible, encourage, otherwise be silent actually. I don't want to hear any comments. Yeah, good. Now new notebook actually. Working, sir. Okay, fine, right? Yeah, thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Very thankful for sir for giving this opportunity. Today, I'm going to tell about the OOPS concept in Python. Then, first we need to know the what is a Python. Can you tell anyone as what is a Python? Yeah, it's not a programming language. Python is a then we need to know about the what is a Python. Then Python is a open source. What is the open source? Freely available in the Google Play Store. We can use without any license, without paying any money and anything. So we can't pay a single rupee for the platform for the uh, Python. So this is called as a open source. It's a open source library. It is supporting the nowadays the Python is a very popular because of you know why it is a very popular nowadays, because the Python supports a different types of programming language process. It supports procedural language, functional programming, and also it's object oriented programming. So by taking the C like that, it will support only one functional like procedural, but the Python will take the it will support the procedural language, functional language, and also object oriented programming language. So we are going to tell about the object oriented programming language. So the main thing about the object oriented programming language is that we are playing with the class object, and by creating an object for the class, uh, uh, we can call the methods. So the main parts of the object oriented program is a first one is a class, then object, then constructor, then methods. Yeah, what is a class? Suppose you need to think about you want to construct a building. So you want to construct a building. uh, you have a site for the exact place. So you want to construct a building so that you can go there and you can directly uh, start a work. You didn't start a work. First of all, you have some knowledge about the how to build a building. So for that, you want to sketch something about the building plan. You want to go for the civil engineer like that. So the what is the civil engineer will do? What You have 100 square yards of site, so that how much building uh, it fits in that area. So he can measure that building, and he can get a plan on the sketch a plan on the paper. So what is a class means? The blueprint of an object. You want to construct a building, it is an object. So what is the blueprint of the object is called a class. The what the civil engineer will do, that is the blueprint of that object is called a class. You have to think like that. So what is an object? Then object means uh, the civil engineer will uh, create that blueprint of an object. The instance of that class is called as an object. Then the class is okay. Object, constructor. The constructor, when we are going to create an object, the first method in the class will execute. What is it? That is a constructor. So what is the use of constructor? So we can initialize the variables in in the constructor by using object. After the object creation of the object creation for the class, we can call the methods and variables for that. So we can call it as the attributes and methods also. So that the class uh, we can create it by using a class keyword. Then class name should be uppercase letter. Yeah, starting with capital letter. So we are creating one class. Okay, we can use this one. Okay. What we are do? First, we have to create a class. What is the class name to construct a building? So we want to take like house. Is it okay? Yeah. Then we need to what are the methods or attribute after creating of the class? It won't work until we can create an object for the class. So that I want to define a one method. What is it method? I want mm, what is the bedrooms of the building I want to build for that area site. So that I want to create one method for that. It's called bedrooms. Let us take bedroom. How many bedrooms I want to construct in that area? What I have. So that this is called method. So I want to print. So I want to print the civil engineer will tell you you have this much of area of site, and you can get the this much of bedrooms you can build in that area. So this is the final output of the civil engineer. Will it execute directly without any object creation? It will execute, but the memory allocation for the object or the methods will allocate after the creation of the object. So will it work? It will work, but the object creation is not done by the for the class. So that what we have to do, create a class for the create a object for the class. So I want to home is my object because I want to construct my home. So what is the class name? House. House is my class. Will it work now? It will work, but the method is not executing. So that by using the object to to execute the method, we can call that method by using the object of the class. So that I want to will it work now? Bedrooms. Okay, it will work, but I didn't written any print statement. So that after the creation of object, the first method will execute in the class. What is it? Constructor also we can define by as a method by calling it as a def, and the syntax for the constructor is the def followed by the underscore underscore in it. After the in it also two underscores followed by self as a keyword. So we can create a constructor. Can I call it as a constructor? Yes. Yeah, we have not written anything, so that I can just pass that constructor as a pass. So that I want to I have only 100 square feet of area. So that I want to give the 100 100 square yards to the civil engineer. So that I have only I have only 100 square feet of area. So that how many bedrooms will I construct in that area? So that uh, while the object creation, the constructor will execute. So that I think it's a size of a site. Otherwise, site size, right? So that the 100 will occupy this variable as a 100 site size. So that I want to initialize that site size variable to the 100. So self dot site size. Yeah. We'll give to the site. This is a site which I have. We will tell you the that civil engineer for. We are giving the 100. Hey boss, I have only 100 square feet of yard. How many bedrooms I will to construct that area, so that he will get this area as a site size. So he will tell us. He will tell us first. He will get that site size. He already get the size. What he want to do? This is a 100 square feet of yard of size. You can get the one bedroom for 10 yards. So that bedrooms, I think how many bedrooms you have to build like that, and create one variable. I think both are same, right? Bedrooms one. Okay. So that we have side size. It has side, so that how many bedrooms will it takes. I have a 100 square yards of a site, so that each 10 10 square yards you get a one bedroom. So that how many bedrooms you will get? 10 bedrooms. In that 10 bedrooms, he will back to inform to us. So how many bedrooms you will get that 100 square feet of area. So that the civil engineer told that you can build how many? You can build 10 bedrooms with your site size. We can get the variable by using a self. Okay. So we will give to the site to the civil engineer, and he will get the analyze, and what how many yards you have, and how many bedrooms you will build in that area. So that finally he get concluded with the you can build how many bedrooms the how many bedrooms you have to build in that with your site size. So we will see how many. Yeah, that's he will tell you can build 10 bedrooms with your 100 square feet of 100 square feet of site. So this is a way how we can create an object. This is called overall about the class. Oops. How we can create an object for the class, and how we can get the object. So Srinivas, for you, this is a method. The written type of this method, we can, if the bedrooms is how many bedrooms we have, so that the civil engineer will tell you how this many bedrooms you can build with that site. So that if you want to this bedroom says, you can return this bedroom. A statement is nothing but the result of the method which I can perform on that. If a one method, the result of a method we can call with as a object name, so that the result of the method will store that what is the object we are created to that. That is a written statement. It will returns the what is the result of that method. For this bedrooms method, the bedrooms is the last conclusion of this method, so that the conclusion of this method will returns. It will returns. If you wanted to this written as your uh, for you, so that you can create a one variable and assign to that method what where we can call it as, so that we can directly use this from here. That is a written statement. Okay, are you understood? Yeah. Is any questions? Thank you for it.
Yeah, nice example. I hope keep continue the same practice actually. Really, one more time, claps. Nice, nice. Very good. Choosing, whoops is not a joke actually. We are importing the class. Yeah, yeah. So I can appreciate you. Fine. In Python total, there are two topics are very, very important. The first one is a function. Next one is, these two are the pillars, man. These two are what exactly? How many times you are doing revision, that literally helps you actually. And one more thing, let me tell you, if you prepare one time, you can feel somewhat new actually. If you prepare second time, you can feel somewhat new. Every time you can feel somewhat, you may get a new points actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. All right. I can literally appreciate you. Very good. So let us move on with the discussion. Good. Online team, thank you. Thank you for your kind support actually. Good. Back to the session. Yeah. Who seems to be feature engineering? Let me open the running notes. 5:30 and good. So till now we played with the two classes actually. What is the first class name, sir? Talk with me. First class name is a label encoder. Second class name is a min max scaler. And by using label encoder, what we done, categorical data we converted into numerical data. Talk with me. Categorical data we converted into what exactly? Numerical data. Here, the name itself is talking. First of all, here input is a string data. Input is what exactly? We are getting output as a numeric. And here input is a numeric data, output also numeric data. But input is such a long value. What I'm sorry, sir. What value actually? Long value. We are converting, we are scaling in between two values actually. Are you with me? Good. Now let's move on. Handling outliers. What is your topic name? Sir, very, very important. Please, I need your attention actually. Damn sure important interview question also. From the feature engineering, if anyone is asking a question, this is the first question actually. Explain about how to handle the outlier. As of now, you should not ask one question. What is that question? Exactly, sir. Very good. What is outlier? You should not ask actually. Very good. Yeah. Sorry. Good. Let me tell you, we do have a. There are different ways. I will cover today one by one actually. First of all, outlier means a large value is compared with other value. Outlier means what exactly? The value which is very far from what exactly? Common data. One more time. The value which is very far from the common data is called as a outlier. Let me just try to write that one first definition. Uh, Hello boss, what is an outlier? It means the value which is very far, from common data. From what exactly? Common data. That is called as an outlier. Common data. Now let us just try to have examples, man. And you have to respond, please. There are few examples actually. And can I say one more point? Outlier can be small value. It can be what exactly? Small or what exactly? Large value. I hope you know this one. Come on, read everyone. The value which is very far from common data, that value is called as a outlier. It can be small value, it can be large value. Very good. Now let us have a nice example. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 199. Which one is outlier? Good. I would like to say this is the outlier. Outlier actually. Now the next example. What is example? One, next one is 55, 65, next one is 75, next one is 95. Talk with me, which one is outlier? Yeah, keep in mind that this is the outlier actually. Ensure that this is the outlier. Good. Anyway, it's a right time we are going to understand. Hello, Daniel, how to handle? You need to understand. Assuming that we got a data 10, 20, 30, 40, next one is 50, 199. But I know very well from here to here, I didn't get any vibes actually. I'm feeling like the data is moving on very slowly and smoothly. But suddenly 199 came. Which one came actually? 199 came. How to handle this one? You need to understand. How to handle this one, the first scenario will be drop the outlier. Means remove the outlier. Means no mercy. What is that one, sir? No mercy. Drop the outlier actually. And second one is what exactly? Making them by using a Boolean condition. We'll see here. And third one is what exactly? Transform into future. Transform into future. Practical I will explain. You will understand slowly by slowly. Good. Hold on. Hold on. Exactly. Sir explained one example. Like we'd have some area of square feet actually. Same thing like that. You know, square feet is what exactly? 1500. This is what exactly? 2500. This is 1500. Two rooms, three rooms, two rooms. Suddenly 116 rooms, sir. What is that one? Generally speaking, assuming that everyone will get a job. Am I right? Sir, will you get or not? After job, next immediate next step is what exactly? Marriage, not house actually. Just I'm kidding. After marriage, what is the next target actually? You will get a nice salary. Then you are planning for house. You are planning for what exactly? House actually. Whenever you are going for the house, think like this. A real estate person will look at you. He can think like you came to real estate business to buy either what exactly maximum 2 BHK or what exactly, sir? 3 BHK. But you cannot say I mean 100 BHK actually. Am I right or not, sir? You're not building assembly, right? Am I right? Can I say this is the outlier? Can I say or not? Yeah, we do have a data. Now, what exactly we are going to do? I'm going to help you how to drop this one. I'm going to help you what exactly how to drop this one. Please focus. Now, exactly, I'm creating. I'm importing NumPy, pandas. We have created a empty data frame. We are adding a column. Column name is a price. We are adding a column. Column name is called as a room square foot. Can we add like this? We can add, sir. Let me just try to write this example quickly. Simple. Come on, look at my screen. From this section, you are going to understand how to handle outlier. Recently, batch was started actually. I hope you know. Recently, just a matter of 20 days actually. One student asked, when you will explain pie charm actually? When you will explain? I thought to explain. Harry boss, 2 months back, one batch started actually. They don't know the definition also pie charm. Wait for some time. I don't know, sir. I'm deeply connected with Notepad and Notepad plus plus. I don't know actually, but seriously amazing. Guts required. What is required? Guts required. Why? Because typing. If you are telling something, my hand knows how to write a code actually, not even my brain. I'm repeating again. Why? Because like that, I made it like each and everything. Print, range, type, all these functions. Where do that practice helps you. It literally helps you. That is okay. Depending upon PyCharm, these are all things that I'm not pointing you. Very good. Let's move on. Let's move to the discussion. Let me just try to run this. Yeah, all right. Come on. I hope you understand. These three are it is okay, Daniel. And what about this one? I cannot sense this is the somewhat different one. Of course, it can be possible. Suddenly, one big businessman came and he's planning to establish one company actually, and he's suddenly asking, "I need a room. I need a one kind of some area which is almost 116 rooms actually. How many rooms? Maybe he's a business magnate, but suddenly some surprise actually. Am I right or not, sir? Then how to handle this one? Look at the output actually. Look at the output. What exactly happened here? What we done? Dropped actually, right? Yeah. Now to drop that one, what we done? We just applied a simple condition, man. Am I right? We are creating a condition. On an average, if the rooms are less than five, if the rooms are what exactly? Less than five, we are keeping. Apart from that, what we are doing? We are just trying to dropping it. Even 20 also very bigger number, sir. Now let me just try to create a condition. I need your help actually. Condition equals to, can somebody talk with me? Yeah, house rooms. Can I take this one? House rooms. If it is less than what exactly? 4, oh, 5 actually. Good. Now print off. Talk with me, sir. Houses of condition. Sir, I hope you already played this one. Seems to be, what is the topic name? Can somebody topic with me? Feature engineering. What is the topic name? But we are playing with the pandas. Please wake up actually. Did you understand? Good. Now run this example. Just try to see. Come on, sir. These are all examples since a long we done actually. It's not like a today we are learning actually. Seems to be we are discussing about the feature engineering, but pure pandas topic. What topic actually? Pure pandas. Did you understand? Good. No explanation is required. This is called as a filtering the outliers. This is the one technique. This is the one technique actually. Next technique is let me show you the output directly. Let me show you the output directly. Very good. Interesting. First of all, prices. This is the so and so price, room, square foot actually, as it is data frame. Now here we are adding a one column. Column name is a, talk me, sir. Outlier. Now, is it outlier to no? No means I'm adding as what exactly? 0. You may tell like you can add a no column. No, no actually. Sir, this data I'm planning to use for ML algorithm. If I add a no, again conversion is required. What is required? That's what we're doing, adding as a number. We are converting into number. Is it outlier? No. No means 0. False means 0. Is it outlier? No. 0. Outlier? No. 0. This is what exactly? Yeah, what exactly we're doing, we are marking. What we are doing actually? Marking, values as a outlier or not actually. Yeah, this is the outlier, and this one is not outlier actually. Are you right? Good. Now let me show you how to do this one. I'm sure till now you understand. Importing the libraries, creating empty data frame, we are adding a 3 columns actually. Now please focus. I will ask you a question. Get ready. Are you ready? Good. Can somebody tell me, where is it function or method? One more time. Last time. How can you say? Yeah, you are calling by using package name. If you are able to recognize it is the function or class or method actually, super sir. You are in nice position in practice actually. Good. Yeah, we are calling a function. Function name is called as a where. What is that one? Where actually. Good. So here, can I say this is the condition where rooms less than 20 like a previously? Talk with me, sir. Good. What exactly it happens, this where condition walk through the room actually. If this condition is matching, talk with me. If this condition is true, then it will give the result as a 0. It will give result as what exactly? 0. Yeah, tell me, sir. The rooms less than 20, false or true? Tell me, sir, is it condition true or false actually? Can somebody tell me what is the value? 2 less than 20, true or false, sir? True actually. If it is true, it will assign 0 here. If it is true, yes, it is a true, assign 0. Yes, it is a true, assign 0. If condition is not a true, assigning with what exactly? 1. Assigning with what exactly? 1. Here, still, if you want, you can add 1 and 2 also. That is still fine, up to you actually. Are you getting? Good. Let me just try to add here actually. This is bit important. In machine learning, I'm using this one actually. Ensure that I will ask this where we covered, I will ask actually. Are you getting everyone? Good. You will tell what exactly? Ray Daniel, we covered this one in a feature engineering. Very good, sir. Can I take this example? Good. Let us just try to. This is still condition, sir. Control X. If you want what? Yeah. Come on. Instead of writing this one, can I write here what exactly? Condition. If this condition result is a true, automatically 0 will be assigned, sir. If this condition result is a false, and what it will assign actually? 1. That's it. That's it actually. Now run this code. I will show you 2 examples. Hold on. Just try to see. Take this example. Hello, Daniel. For my satisfaction, can you convert the example into? Come on. Look at my screen, sir. Where are all 0? Can I make it no? Where are all 1? Can I make it as what exactly? Yes. Now tell me what is the result actually? Yeah. No. Yes. Can I say that one? Yeah. First 2 3 values are not outlier, not outlier, not outlier. Yes, it is an outlier actually. Very good. Did you understand? Nice, man. But This one also still valid, but again conversion is required. What is required? Why? Because of ML algorithm. ML algorithm like only numbers actually. Yeah. When I'm saying, you are saying along with me, right? పాట పాడేటప్పుడు వెనకాల తానా తానా అని అంటారు కదా. I'm sorry for getting, Telugu, everyone, I hope something like that I feel actually. In English, I don't know, sir. Chorus actually. When somebody is singing a song, at last will give small jalak, right? That's what actually. Come on, cool. Now go back to the next example. Interesting. Are you getting everyone? First, what we done? We dropped actually. Second one, what we done? We are marking the values as a outlier. We are marking the values as what exactly? Outlier actually. The next topic name is a imputing missing value. Next topic name is what exactly? Imputing missing value. Let me give a small recap actually. Get ready. Recap. Now you talk with me. First one is label encoder. What is the first one? Label encoder. Whenever we are applying about the label encoder, ensure that, hello Daniel, input is string data. Input is what data? String data. Now we converted output into what exactly? Numeric data. What data actually? Numeric data. I hope I already explained actually. And to understand this one, we created an object and we call a method. What is that method name actually? Obj dot fit underscore transform. Very good. I hope you understand this one actually. Move on to the next session. What is the next session? Min, max, scalar. Very good. Can I say this is the class name, sir? Yeah, very good. Object name dot, same thing like that. And I would like to say this is the parameter. And here also parameter. Now you talk with me. Here input is what data? Yeah, numeric data or else integer data. That is okay. Now output also what exactly? Numeric only. Did you understand? Exactly, we done these are all things. Now handling outliers. What is the next topic actually? Handling outliers. Outliers. There are mainly two ways actually. Third way is not required for you. Applying a Boolean logic. The first one, what we can do, first one, dropping the missing value. What we are doing? Dropping missing value, missing values. How to drop actually? Just to create a condition, man. Apply the condition over the data frame. Second one, marking them as outlier or not actually, or what exactly? Not. Am I right or not? Good. That's it. We have just created a column and we are adding actually. These are all in a flow you need to remember. Now the next topic name is a imputing missing value. What is the next topic name, sir? Talk with me. Good. First of all, let us have a small recap. What is a missing value? What is a missing value? Sometimes during data collection, during data what exactly? Collection, we may miss the data. We may miss what exactly, sir? Data may miss actually. Data may miss. That values are representing with what exactly? If CSV file having missing values, then it will be represented with what exactly, sir? It will be represented with what exactly? NaN. What is the value? Good. Now I'm going to help you. Imputing missing value is also called as a handling missing value. What is that one? Handling missing value. Sir, in pandas we already learned few techniques actually, and today we are going to learn few more techniques actually. Today we are going to learn what exactly? Would you have a time? Yeah, we are going to learn few more techniques. In a pandas, come on, talk with me. What we done? Any idea? Df dot drop Na. Am I right or not, sir? No, no mercy actually. Very good. Next one is df dot fill Na. Very nice. And next one, can I say this is the parameter? This one also parameter. This one is df dot. Tell me, sir. Replace. Why doubtfully? You are telling doubtfully actually. Is it fine? First of all, handling is separate. First of all, what we need to do? Check the missing value. Check what exactly? Missing value. How to check the missing value? Any idea? Df dot is Na dot sum. Something like this. Am I right or not, sir? Whenever you are calling, df dot is Na, we'll get a Boolean value as the result. What value is the result? But I need a column wise count, Daniel. I need column wise what exactly? Count. Very good. Now, this is by using pandas. This is what exactly by using pandas actually. Now, let me show you by using feature engineering also. By using what exactly? Feature engineering also. Are you ready? Feature engineering. Get ready. I'm going to help you step by step process. Now, imputing missing value. Simple, sir. There are four strategies. There are how many strategies? Four strategies. The first one, you can fill missing value with mean. Missing value with what exactly? Mean we already discussed in pandas. Not only mean actually, you can still apply. Please don't ask what is a mean, median, most frequent, constant actual. We'll discuss. We'll discuss. Talk with me. Damn sure interview question, man. How many ways are available in feature engineering to handle the missing value? They will ask like this actually. Then you need to tell, Arey boss, my trainer explained four actually. How many? Four. First one is a mean. Next one. Next one. Next one. Only four. There is no five. If you want, if you're trying to applying any five, you will get an error. I will show you that one actually. Get ready. Missing numeric values who can impute. Impute means substitute, sir. Simple. If missing value is available, imputing means substituting. Are you getting your one? Good. We'll see. First strategy is what exactly? Mean strategy. Observe here. Let us take a data frame first actually. We'll plan with this. We'll play with this data frame. Come on, understand this one. Uh, first of all, I have created a data frame. What is the shape actually? 8 comma 3 actually. 8 means rows, 3 means columns. What is the first column name? Marks. Second column name? Gender. Third column name? Sir, generally marks means can be some integer, right? Why float actually? Because of very good, sir. Everyone is responding actually. I literally feel amazing. Good. There is a student marks. Why none actually? Told me. Because missing. Maybe he is absent for the exam actually. Like me, dumma కొట్టడం అంటారు కదా తెలుగులో. He escaped actually during exactly sometimes even in my lifetime. Exactly before exam, I used to tell Amma stomach pain actually. Something like that. Good, all right. Mother is seriously awesome. When we say stomach pain, she will tell immediately stop whatever it is actually. Something like that. But a few mothers, what they will do? Come, I will along with you with medicine actually. Am I right or not, sir? My mom belongs to first category boss. Yeah, all right. Now there is a student and here is a missing value, here is a missing value. Today, let us focus only on this column. Other columns you can ignore. And gender also we are having missing value. Means what you need to understand is whenever, come on, look at me. Important, this step. Later you can talk actually. Good. We are having numerical data and categorical data. Categorical means string data. How to handle numerical missing value, how to handle categorical missing value, both I made it separate. Actually. Now, what exactly we are going to imputing, standard missing values actually, how many ways we do have? Mean, median, most frequent, constant. We are going to apply over this column only. Understand one example and almost three examples you can understand very easily. Are you getting or not, sir? Good. Let me show you how to apply. Now let me create a data frame. Let me create a data frame. Look at my screen, everyone, please. We are creating a data frame. Yeah, importing the two libraries. First one is a NumPy, next one is a pandas. Next one is, what is this one, sir? Any idea? Very nice. Nested list. We are taking nested list and we are creating a again list with variable name is a columns. Now we are creating a data frame. Data frame actually, yeah, students comma, can I say my favorite syntax? Nice, man. Good. Print of data frame. Let me show you this. Yeah, we have a data frame. Seems to be, forget about second column and third column, just like a supporting columns I have taken. Now our motto will be focus on marks column. Focus on what exactly? Marks column. Assuming that there was a teacher, best example, let us take a Naresh IT. Naresh IT management, they told conduct the exam actually. On an average, total 8 students, or else 80 students actually, assuming that. Then unfortunately, two students are missing. Then management told very strictly, every student should attend actually. Every student should attend, you have to take responsible. Then you guys are thinking that were me and my friend, right? Yeah, come on, look at me. Then sir, if it is missing, I'm sure end of the day I should submit the report actually. To submit the report, what I can do, I can manipulate the value. That to manipulation should be, can I see here 200 score actually? Definitely verification is there. They will come and they will check who is that student actually. Am I right or not, sir? Means whenever you are adding value, that should be trusted values you need to add. What values you need to add? Randomly you cannot give 10, 20 also. Then how to give? I'm going to apply few strategies. What is the first strategy? First strategy name is called as a mean strategy. What strategy? That too we are using feature engineering. We are using what exactly? Let me show you. Are you ready? Good. The code is a bit long actually. Don't worry. I will explain one by one. Yeah. Come on. You talk with me. Function or what exactly? What is the class name? Simple imputer. How can I say this class? Capital letter. What is the package name? sklearn dot impute. One more time, sir. What is the package name? sklearn dot impute. So and so package. There is a class name. Class name is called as a simple imputer. Am I right? Okay. We are importing the class. Tell me the next step. Very good. Tell me the next step. That's it. See, even I'm not exposing the code actually, but you are able to understand. That is seriously amazing. Whenever you are importing the class, even in real time, ensure that somewhere we are going to create an object. Then somewhere we are going to calling method by using object. That's it. There is no other framework and other fundamentals, sir. Okay. Yeah, get ready. Exactly. Object creation is happening, but object creation is such a long object creation actually. Hold on. I don't want to expose the total code actually. I will explain step by step. Look at the code actually. Till now you understand. We are creating a columns, we are creating a data frame, and we are printing the data frame. This is the new code actually. What is that new code? Kindly please observe here. Can I say simple imputer? Can I say this line? We are creating an object. What is our object name? Okay. Sir, on an average, can I say two of favorite syntax actually? First one is a missing underscore value. Second one is a strategy. What we need to do, whenever you are creating an object, you need to provide first keyword argument, and this one is a second keyword argument. Under first keyword argument, you need to take, array boss, where are all missing values are available? If I say missing values, this is the meaning actually. What is the meaning? np.nan. Fill up all these missing values with one strategy. What is the strategy? Mean strategy. What is the strategy? We are telling actually. Just we are preparing an object. That's it. We are not applying actually. Are you getting? Right, good. Now you talk with me. During object creation, two keyword arguments we need to specify. First one is a missing underscore values equals to np.nan. Second one is a strategy. Second one, that strategy can be four strategies. How many strategies? Four. The first one is a mean. Next one, median. Third one, yeah. Last one is the constant actually. Good. We'll see. Step by step, we'll see. Now, this is bit seriously interesting, sir. This may take minimum 5 to 10 minutes explanation, but anyway, let me explain. Good. We are creating an object actually. Get ready. Now, can I make it the code something like this? Is it fine for you? Good. We have created an object, sir. Here now, please, you need to understand one point actually. What is that point? Here, what is object name? What is object name? Good. The object name is imputer. Let me tell you one small thumb rule actually. This is a thumb rule. What is a thumb rule? Sir, this object have small attitude actually. This object having what exactly? Small attitude. What this object will tell, hey Daniel, you are having the data frame actually. You are having what exactly? I will not work with the data frame. I will work with single column array. I will work with what exactly? Single column array. If you are having single column array, then you can apply my object actually. Then what we need to do? This column, we need to convert into single column array. Did you understand? I'm repeating one more time. Right. Anyway, this explanation I will give tomorrow also. Whenever you are creating an object for this imputer object will work with single column array. That's it. Then what we need to do, existing column name we need to convert into a single column array. First of all, let me print this one. Understand the syntax, please. Understand the syntax, please. I'm requesting. Now let me just try to print this one. The same code tomorrow also I will explain one more time. Your patience really matters here. Just try to see. Come on, let us just try to import. All right, come on, quickly. Yeah, we got an output. Yeah, very good. First of all, from the data frame, we are taking a series actually. We are taking what exactly? I'm talking with imputer. Hey, imputer, I have a series. Is it okay for you? It is telling no. It is telling what exactly? No. But it is want what exactly? Only single column array. What array? Not even single row actually. Then it is okay. Let us just try to. Then what we need to do? This one we need to convert into array. Understand the status you need to understand actually. Then there is a one attribute name is a values. What is that attribute name? Value. Sir, whenever you are calling values, we are going to get single column row representation. What representation? Row representation. But now, yes, I'm calling again to the imputer object. Hey, imputer object, I have a row, are you okay? It is telling what exactly? No, it need only what exactly? Single column array. Did you remember during maybe numpy or math actually I told single column array? One more time. Next time. Yeah. Now conclusion of the story. This object likes to work with only single column array, but we have a data frame. Then this data frame separate the column. Whenever you are separating the column, we'll get a series. Apply dot values, we'll get a array, row array. We'll get what exactly? Row array. Then this row array we need to convert into single column array. How to convert? Sir, just apply this one. Reshape. Did you remember? During NumPy, I told one thing. Yeah. Now run the code actually. Run the code. Yeah. Now I call to imputer object. What object actually? I call to imputer object. What I need to tell? I have a single column array. Are you fine? It will tell, come on, you can call me actually. Now, did you understand? In this step, what I done, though this object need this format actually, I converted into this format. I converted into this format actually. Let me hold the session today and I can continue this one tomorrow again. Are you fine? Good. Kindly please requesting this example, do practice one more time. Getting right? If you understand only this line, that's it, man. Then you can just try to assign to one variable. You need to call a method. Method name is a fit underscore transform. Bus. The task is done actually. Right? Getting right? Fine then. So let us just try to continue this one tomorrow. Online team, we done for today's session. We done for today's session. And don't miss tomorrow's session. Let me upload. Anything is pending from my side? Material, running notes, still date actually. Anything is pending? Can I upload all running notes in one shot actually? Is it fine for you? I already uploaded, right? It is okay. If you need anything from my side, you do let me know, sir. Feature engineering material too. I will explain, Baba. Hold on. So why? Because we are in feature engineering part number 1, right? It's okay. I don't want to disappoint you. Let me upload. 5:30 running notes. Let me upload next material also. Is coming Saturday. Come to session by holding your laptop actually. It's only study hour, sir. I'm planning for total Python revision. Is it fine for you? Come to the session, do complete 1.5 hour Python revision. I'm sure you will enjoy. Take the great opportunity. Please don't miss the session. You guys are very near to prepare a resume. Very near. Get ready. Before preparation, before resume preparation, your preparation, subject preparation is really matters actually. Fine, right? Yeah, come on. We done for today's session. Please take care, everyone. Bye, sir.